Ginger is a common vegetable. Nearly every household in Pakistan uses ginger for many things, particularly as spice in cooking or tea for the ginger tea. Ginger originated in South Asia and is one of the healthiest and beneficial spices. It belongs to the same family as turmeric and cardamom. Everyone knows about its usage in cooking. Let's get to know its medical and health benefits. Number 1. Ginger is rich with gingerol, a substance with powerful antioxidant and anti-inflammatory effect as per research. This oil gives ginger its flavor and medicinal properties that aid in curing a person's health. Number 2. Ginger keeps your smile bright and mouth healthy. Gingerol's antibacterial property keeps off the oral bacteria from growing, thus keeping your mouth fresh. Number 3. Ginger is a traditional remedy for cold. I will make a ginger cinnamon lemongrass tea or ginger cinnamon cardamom tea to fight off cold. Number 4. Ginger helps in pacify the digestive system. If you ever feel an upsetting stomach due to unusual digestion, consume ginger to lessen the pain. Number 5. Ginger treats nausea and morning sickness. A person going through nausea or vomiting must consume ginger since it is effective against the source and treats it. As per research, 1 to 1.5 grams of ginger can significantly reduce nausea for pregnant women. Number 6. Ginger relaxes a sore muscle. Most legion goers feel pain in the muscle due to heavy exercise. It is reported that those who consume ginger feel less pain than those who didn't. Number 7. Ginger counters loss of appetite. Eat it with lemon and black salt to get your appetite back. Number 8. Ginger helps in weight loss. The reason might be an increase in calorie burn or reduction in inflammation upon intake. Number 9. Ginger's anti-inflammatory property helps in treating arthritis symptoms. Chew it to reduce pain or patch it up on the spot where you feel pain. Number 10. Ginger promotes healthy aging. Its consumption is a barrier to many diseases like lung, heart diseases, and blood pressure. It relieves stress from your body's DNA as it is rich in antioxidant compounds.